What's up, YouTube? This is R&M Reviews, and I'm Rick, R. Wexler on ECF. And today I'm going to do a little video showing my Katana, which I just did a review on yesterday, on a GGTS. And I'm also running a kick in here too, and that pretty much sums it up. But I didn't mention it in my other video, but this is the standard Katana battery tube, and I really don't like bottom buttons. Like, I had a Precise Plus 18650 and I had it for 4 days before I got rid of it. But I love my GGs, and I fucking combined the two, and I really couldn't be happier. And I got a kick in there too. And fuck whatever any Genesis manufacturer or user says that you don't need variable voltage in the Genesis mod, and a 3.7 volt AWIMR is all you need. It just comes down to the number of coils. Fuck that. 10 watts in the kick, huge difference in performance. And take a couple of toots and then I'll explain how I got the GGTS onto the Katana. Also using a little trippy tip that I have. And the mod. And I polished my button finally, which looks much better now. So, here it is. So, I don't know if the vapor looks any thinner in this video, but I'm back to using my 1080p webcam, so that might make a little bit of a difference in how much of the vapor you actually see, but vapor is much thicker, much hotter, flavor is better with the kick, and obviously you get to use fucking GG, and I mean, I'm kind of a fanboy, but like, I think the GGTS is the best mod out there right now, like, and that's without considering that you have the Odysseus, the IADI, the GG, the UFS rather. Like, it's my favorite mod, and I think it is the best mod. But I mean, that's just my opinion. But I'm going to show you how I got the Katana onto the GGTS. So first off, it's going to sound a little ghetto rigged, kind of janky, but the bottom line is that it fucking works, and that's what really matters. So what I did, I took a roll of electrical tape, cut a strand in half, it's a little bit thinner, and I wrapped that around a top tube. And you can't really tell, it looks a little cut up right now. But because it's more malleable than the nickel top tube, obviously, it conforms to the threads on the inside of the Katana. Now, normally with a top tube, let's see if I have an extra one. The threads are much too small for the Katana. As you can see, goes on, looks sleek, but doesn't thread on. Now, I used a nickel top tube rather than a stainless steel one for a couple of reasons, mostly because it's convenient and I didn't want to take one of my extra stainless steel ones, but because the threads are actually a little bit longer on the nickel top tubes and a little bit thinner, so I had more, I could get more tape onto the threads. And what you do once it's on there, kind of pushes on initially, but once you actually hit the threads, it screws on pretty tightly. And as you can see, I have a kick in there, and that's it. And then you have a Katana and you have a GG. which in my opinion is the best of both worlds. And let's fire it up. Good to go. And it vapes awesomely. I'm really fucking stoked on this. I don't know if you can tell, but haven't seen it done yet. The closest is the Z-Addy-G, which Zen posted some photos of on a Vapor Wall, but who needs a Z-Addy-G if you already have a Katana? Not that I'm not going to get the Z-Addy-G because I have this, because I want to, but stoked on it. It works really well. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I guess I'll call it, but thanks. Enjoy.